How to review financial statements without reading the wrong row. Reviewing financial statements, one wrong row can mean checking the wrong numbers. Here's an easier way. Kutools for Excel has grid focus. Just turn it on. And the entire row and column of your active cell are highlighted automatically. Now you always know exactly where you are making financial reviews faster and much more accurate. You can configure the settings of this tool. Try Kutools for Excel free for 30 days, more than 300 productivity tools for Excel.